We are Heather and John, and we've been traveling Vietnam for the last 7 months. We love traveling off the beaten path because we enjoy experiencing local ethnic tribes and epic scenery. In this video, we eat dinner and spend the night with the Hmong tribe in the most idyllic village we have ever seen. It was like being in The Hobbit.
The next day, we head down the valley on tiny roads connected by even skinnier bridges.
Woo!
Holy cannoli, you ready?
Yep.
And eat lunch with the Lao ethnic tribe where we learn the secret of the ladies that have black smiles.
We also visit Dong Tien Son, the fairy cave. It's a really cool cave with a lot of bats. Where are we, Wednesday?
We are in northwest Vietnam, returning from a 2-day motorcycle loop around the mountains of Lao Chai
and through the valleys of Tam Cung.
Hello. All right.
Let's go!
So we're geared up, and we are about to go on an adventure with our friends from Ethos. Here they are, the legends, Hua and Phil from Ethos and Kai. Another sleepy satellite town on the outskirts of Sapa in Sapa district. Got some mountain Vietnam traffic. Is this a tour group? Everybody's got the same helmet. Oh, I feel raindrops.
We are seriously in the most amazing village that I've ever seen in Vietnam. Everybody is happy and playing. And everything is beautiful. Like, they take so much pride. There's no trash. In front of every house is like a place you can sit. And you can meander through the village.
Can I try?
Oh, wow.
Yeah? Can I try? Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, I keep getting stuck right there. Oh, I gotta roll now.
It's like The Hobbit. It's like The Hobbit. It's just amazing. Kids over there playing a game we've never seen before. They have like a Hobbit bridge. It's just stunning. Look at this. What? Bam.
Hi. I think we found paradise.
We went swimming in the coldest swimming pool ever. This is the homestay we're staying in tonight. We're staying up there. And we're gonna eat dinner with the family over there. And they have a store, like right here.
His son. Okay. Four generations living here actually.
Wow, 4 generations.
So how was the little girl?
Bạn này mấy tháng rồi?
4 tháng.
I said I'm a mother myself. When I looked up to him one day,
This is our dinner tonight. Beautiful family.
That's their son.
This is seriously the greatest village in all of Vietnam that we've seen so far. The peace and harmony is just bar none. It's beautiful. I'm very, very happy. very, very happy. We are leaving this incredible village that we've had the best time in.
Oh wow.
And it's raining everywhere. We're in the clouds. It's raining everywhere. I know, me too.
Holy cow! Curtis, you get the best life.
Oh my god.
All we have left to do is put you on a boat.
I know. That was so fun.
Wow.
Hi, Buffalo. Eldest daughter. Hello, 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 hello. Lao? Lao people. Lao people. Hello. Hello.
You see the river we crossed twice?
Yes.
Hello. 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 Hey.
So they have like silkworms that they feed with mulberry, and then the silkworms like produce the silk, and then they're taking the silk and wrapping it all the way around, and then they'll put it into the loom. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, I'm explaining them, yeah?
Yeah.
So there's a two-stage process. They get a leaf. I'm not sure what the leaf is, but they'll put in lime powder.
Wow.
Which is, I mean, it doesn't do anything to the mix. It lacerates your mouth, so it makes all these little micro cuts to allow the narcotic in. Then you're mixing a betel nut and another couple of leaves, and you chew it all together. It's like a drug. Now, they'll chew it and spit, chew it and spit. I didn't know. I swallowed it. High as a cut. Honestly, it's like having 25 coffees and a few beers all at once. I was like this. But then after they do that, and they'll do that a few times a day, they collect flies from the forest. They crush them, they mix them together with a rusty nail which oxidizes it, turns it black, and they just heat it up, use their fingers and apply it onto their teeth. Maybe once a week, maybe once every couple of weeks, and it adds a thick lacquer layer, which is what you can see. Your saliva breaks it down, so if you stop applying, your teeth will go back to normal underneath. So actually for dental hygiene, it's surprisingly good. Or you can go to the dentist, have it taken off. But it's seen as a sign of beauty. Wow. So I just said to Heather, dogs, buffalo, ghosts apparently have white teeth. So we don't want to look like them, we want to look like our own free spirits. They have black teeth. But it's fading away. I mean, there are lots of people here, but you notice most of the older women.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is this your mother? Your like your mother? Oh, I don't know how to say it. Oh, hi Kai.
Coming up.
Yeah. Woo! Mom's over there.
The grey.
Hi.
Bill, are you
How are
taking
you?
the helmet up?
I will, yeah.
My key is still in the car bike.
Hello.
Hello.
Right, come here.
So where are we?
I don't even know.
We're in a still house.
Yeah.
Lao. But Lao is mother. Yes.
And every home here, they have 2 rooms. One for the mother and one for the daughter or daughter-in-law. Oh. So that the women, they weave here. So that's the process downstairs. The girls came and helped mom.
Phải nhau dùng nước. Cháu không ăn, cháu này cho trên nước.
Không uống. Con cháu cảm ơn.
Come on.
Cháu cảm ơn.
Yeah.
How do you run? That's really nice.
It's very comfortable. I guess you like this.
She's going to put the belt on, I think. Oh, she's going to dress you up a whole lot.
See if I have to wear a belt. Front or behind.
You could just roll the top over. Did the ducks come? Did they eat it? Oh, sure, they're very happy with you.
She's laughing.
I'm stuck. Wow. No. Why? Okay, so she has all of it up here, and then she ties it around here. Ah. Okay, it's a bunch of tucking. Okay.
Down here, because they've arrived way early, the Hmong have been there 200 years, these guys have been there 1,000 years. Because they've got decent land, 2 crops of corn, 2 crops of rice, lots of tropical vegetables, they have an excess. Not much.
Just the egg we bought. So good. See how everything sparkles? Wow. Do you see how the stone sparkles? Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful.
You feel scared, Kai?
Yeah, I'm not scared.
No, I'm not scared.
I'm not scared either.
Yeah, no.
What about John? Is he scared?
Rawr.
No.
Heather's not scared because I'm here, and John's not scared because Heather's here. We're not scared because you're here.
Yes. That's so true.
And my friend is here.
Who's your friend?
Woo!
Slippery.
It is slippery.
Here. So what do they worship?
Animism, so again, it's ancestral worship mostly. You're paying homage to the ghosts of your ancestors. This room is astonishing, isn't it? Look at that.
Wow.
That's just the coolest thing in the world. It looks like a set.
Yes.
It does. It looks like aliens.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Go behind. Because it's the next cave entrance looks ominous and amazing all at once.
You're leading us all now, which is...
We'll follow Kai.
Is that bad or good?
That's good. Don't...
They're around, they're flying everywhere.
Whoa, there it is. There's 3.
Who's that silly bat?
I think the bats were napping and now they're awake.
Oh, the bats keep flying in my face.
Oh.
You shine the torch that way, yeah?
Whoa.
There's one. They're flying everywhere. Keep looking.
Wow.
Wow, look at this room. It's a big step for you, isn't it?
Wait. Fearless.
Boy. Look at this room. Wow, this is where the monsters live.
Wow. Oh, there's a bat.
Right?
Look at that.
Oh, there's one.
She's got a baby one there. She has.
Where's
Oh, we need to let them rest.
They're trying to go big and tall.
You go first and then we can follow your light, Karen.
Okay.
You can be the bat watcher.
Yeah.
And not
That
the
was
bat
so
catcher.
cool.
Good climbing, well done. Ready?
Oh, hello.
I
We're
want
gonna
to
go
see
this way.
this
Come on
room.
this way. Turn around.
The secret room is up there with all the bats, but I think this one will have lots. Come
Let's go. Come on. Step. Big step. Big step.
Oh, look what you found. Good work. Good eyes. Do you know what they are?
Oh, wow. What is that?
They're called snotites. Come back a little bit because they don't want to go in your hair. Can I borrow your light so I can show them something? You see that?
Oh, wow.
That brown thing there?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. That's a worm.
What's a worm?
Yeah, so the worms make all of these sticky silk. And then if any, there's one, there's a worm, yeah? You see it there? It makes the whole lot like a spider. Anything that flies in gets stuck to it. See?
Oh, wow.
And then it eats them. So it catches flies. So there's one there. And there's one there. Aren't they cool?
Wow. Goodbye, kid.
I know. That was so fun. That was amazing.
A little bit of a traffic jam. Wow.
Ôi, ôi.
Lồng.
Xứng trúng luôn. Yêu thế.
He's coming.
Oh, he's probably looking for his things. Hey,
Sai rồi. Hai tay.
đây. Put down.
Có nào
Come
không?
down.
Woo!
Oh, no, watch out. He might fall again.
Đúng rồi. Đi từ từ thôi.
Đây rồi.
Ồ, không nghe kìa. Có.
Có ở đây không? Qua cái thang bộ.
Đi đường nhỏ, không sao nhưng mà đi đường to.
Nếu mà chỗ chẳng cân thì
Yeah.
không sợ.
You okay?
Chẳng cân có đi được. Còn đi nếm nào đi phải đấy. Khác tốt khổ nữa. Xe bằng miệng.
He just kept going then, didn't he?
Yeah.
He did. He went.
He hit the tree.
I had just turned the camera off. He got up.
Rolled the other way. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Đi giờ cũng xa nhưng mà đi là đi xe sau. Hello.
This is the guy who's doing all the drinking in the... Goodbye. Goodbye.